Welcome back. As you can see, this is a different outfit because I've recorded this almost a whole year since I recorded the first 6 sections of this course. Why did it take so long? I needed to make sure that this part was really on point because these next 2 sections are going to show you how to use what you've learned in real life, taking the fidelat you've learned and turning it into words and being able to pronounce those words and write down words that you hear because you know how the pronunciation system works. Let's go ahead and jump right in just a little bit with the punctuation marks that you might see when you start reading things in Tigrinya. What's a punctuation mark? In English, those are just like comma, semicolon, period, exclamation point, question mark. And in Tigrinya, especially Eritrean Tigrinya, they look a little bit different. So let's go over those real quick. I'll put them here on the screen as I'm telling you about them. The first one is the comma. In English, it looks like this, but in Tigrinya, it's 2 dots on top of each other. For the period, English and most Latin languages looks like this, but in Tigrinya, it's 4 dots that kind of look like the Windows symbol. With a question mark, most Latin languages looks like this. In Tigrinya, it's 3 dots on top of each other. Semicolon in English and other languages looks like a dot on top of a comma, but in Tigrinya, it's a diagonal line with 2 dots on top of each other. A colon in English is just 2 dots on top of each other. Don't get that confused with the comma in Tigrinya because they look the same. But a colon in Tigrinya is a diagonal line on top, 2 dots on top of each other in the middle, and a diagonal line on the bottom. An exclamation point looks pretty similar, but it's more like the Spanish exclamation point, you know, the one that goes upside down. So the dot is on top, the line is going down. But in most Tigrinya texts, especially online, they just use the normal English exclamation point where the line is on top and the dot is on the bottom. Now that we've gone into the punctuation marks, let's go ahead and jump into how to start writing things, starting with your name. If you're ready for that, join me in the next video.